Here we go.
For tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight.
Oh,
Some
shoot.
thunderstorms may be severe in the evening. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the evening. High 60s, lows around.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
Wow.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 374, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development. Issued Tornado Watch number 374, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois, Tazewell and Woodford. Remember, a tornado conditions and weather-related
I don't think Channel 5 is going to go.
Weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the severe weather information.
Person should remain on the rapid